before. Don't go pouring your tears on my gravestone. And as much as it hurts me to say, I can't wipe them all away. How do you feel when you look at yourself in the mirror every day? Do you hide that guilt away? Or do you walk and look the other way? Don't tell me that you didn't mean it. You said you had to do, and now you have to live with it. So don't ever put flowers on my grave, 'cause nothing is the same, and I'm buried anyway. I knew one day I'd lose you, but never did I think that it would be ever like this. Don't go listening to all the voices in your head. Now it's your turn to hurt as I lay in this dirt. I know that you really love me, but as you stand above me, I don't need to hear it again. And if I looked at you and I saw your flooded eyes, would I try to grab my hands and give you one last